40?
40.
Alright. Oh, honk. Today we're going to be talking about how to reach 350 plus wheel on your N54 powered car for under $1,500, and this is the quickest and safest way to do it. Here's my 2009 335 E90. Let's get straight under the hood and get to some mods. Okay, so my engine bay is very dirty. As you can tell, the intakes are in need of a cleaning. Okay, so first thing I recommend is getting some BMS intakes. These are some dual cone. I recommend getting a charge pipe and a blow off. Don't keep the stock diverter valve set up. It's ugly, it gets in the way, and it's not as cool as a blow off and doesn't sound as good. But definitely get yourself a charge pipe. Get yourself some ARM or VRSF or whatever brand you want. Prices vary. Some downpipes, full catless. After you get yourself some downpipes, intakes, and charge pipe, an MHD super license, and for the N54 I believe it is $290, and get yourself a Thor adapter such as this one. It is compatible with MHD, XHP, Beamer code, etc. So you can use this to get a trans tune, engine tune, code out weird lights that you get on your dash, such as the brake light, airbag, etc. After you do that, you have downpipes, intake, and charge pipe. You get your super license. You code out that check engine light from the downpipes. You have E85 near you, go on an E30 map. That is basically 5 gallons of E85, and the rest is 91/93, and you're on an E30 map. If you have a healthy stock fuel pump, you could easily run E30 and still daily, and with these few mods, you'll be right at around 390 wheel, and this is all under $1,500. But anyways, that's a quick little rundown on how to get that type of power level with 90 wheel. You'll have a ton of fun with the car.